mother carries her weak kitten, searching for help. She sits at the hospital door, silently begging for help. A doctor notices and gently carries the kitten inside. The doctors work quickly. Outside, the mother waits, her eyes filled with hope. The little heart takes its last beat, then silence. The mother feels it, something is wrong. She steps inside, afraid, but not giving up. She sits beside her baby, softly calling, hoping for a response. A tiny heartbeat returns, a miracle begins. The tiny eyes open, life has returned. Applause fills the room for the bravest mother.